The title of this video is not just a catchy title. It's a serious question. One that could change how you view retirement and your future. I've been in the online business world long enough to see what works and, more importantly, what's being completely overlooked by so many retirees. Here's the truth. There's a massive shift happening right now. More and more people over 60 are discovering that social media isn't just a place to scroll. It's a platform to build something of your own. And I'm not talking about becoming an influencer or chasing trends. I'm talking about using what you already know, what you already love, and sharing it in a way that not only helps others, but also creates real income and impact from home. So if you're retired or even just planning for that next chapter, and you're asking yourself, is starting an online business really for me? It is. And it's more possible than ever. Now, let's get into it. Let me ask you something. What if all the skills, lessons, and life experiences you've gathered over the last 30, 40, and even 50 years could be turned into something you own? What if you could build a business that fits into your life, not the other way around? A business that runs from your kitchen table or home office, that lets you work in your pajamas if you want to, and still gives you the freedom to spend time with your grandkids, travel, or just enjoy retirement on your own terms. That's what social media has made possible. But here's the problem. Too many people have bought into the myth that it's too late, that it's too technical, that this whole online business thing is only for the younger crowd. That's just noise, and I'm here to help you cut through it, because the truth is, this is your time. You've got the wisdom, the patience, and the passion. Now, let's talk how to put it to work. Social media isn't just for influencers, TikTok dancers, or the 20-somethings with ring lights. It's for anyone who has value to offer. And guess what? That's you. Retirees have a secret weapon: life experience. You know what people crave online today? Authenticity, real stories, relatable people. And no offense to the younger crowd, but you've got decades of that baked in. Whether it's teaching how to cook on a budget, giving life coaching advice, sharing stories from your career, creating handmade crafts, or guiding younger generations with wisdom you wish you had years ago. There's a niche for you. There's a platform for you. And there's an audience waiting to hear from you. Now I know what you might be thinking. Steve, I don't even know how to use Instagram. I'm not tech savvy. Isn't it too late to start learning all this? Let me stop you right there. Let's be honest. Starting anything new is scary. Whether it's your first job, becoming a parent, retiring, or starting an online business. The unknown can be intimidating. But the truth is, you don't need to be a tech genius. You don't need fancy gear or complicated websites. And you definitely don't need permission. What you do need is a willingness to learn, a bit of patience, and a commitment to taking imperfect action. You're not running a Silicon Valley startup here. You're building something real, honest, and meaningful. Now, I want you to really imagine what you could do with the skills and life experience you already have. Do you love gardening? You could start sharing simple tips on Facebook, how to prep soil, grow tomatoes, or keep those pesky bugs away. Then maybe you create a YouTube channel showing people your process step by step. Over time, you could even offer your own gardening kits or downloadable guides. Were you great with finance in your career? You could teach others how to budget, save for retirement, or get out of debt. Simple video tutorials, short blog posts, maybe even a digital course down the road. Did you spend your life teaching, leading, and guiding others? You could review children's books, teach reading strategies to parents, or even publish your own ebooks online and promote them on social media. These aren't wild dreams. These are realistic opportunities that can grow one step at a time. And here's the best part. You don't need a fancy setup. You don't need a huge following. You don't need to have it all figured out. You just need to start, because momentum comes from taking action, not from waiting until everything is perfect. One post, one video, one conversation at a time. That's how it grows. So take a moment, reflect. What skill, talent, or passion do you already have that could help someone else? That's your spark. And that spark is enough to light a fire in your next chapter. Let's quickly break down a few platforms you can explore. First, Facebook. Perfect for retirees. You can post content, join groups, and build community around your niche. Next, Instagram. Great for showcasing products, crafts, or even documenting your journey. Visual but simple to use. Next is YouTube. Ideal for storytelling, tutorials, and longer form content. Many retirees are gaining thousands of subscribers by sharing what they know. And then TikTok. Short form video that's exploding right now. And don't assume it's just for kids. Many creators over 60 are going viral with tips, humor, and motivation. Don't overthink it. Pick one to start. Post consistently. Learn as you go, build momentum, and above all, have fun with it. Look, if you've ever dreamed of working from home, creating a second stream of income, sharing your passions with the world, or just staying mentally sharp and socially connected during retirement, there has never been a better time. The digital world is expanding. AI tools are making it easier, and consumers are craving authentic voices, not just polished influencers. Don't let this window pass you by. If you've made it this far, I want to say this. You've got what it takes. You're not too old. You're not too late. And your story, your passion, your skill, it's needed right now in the online space. So here's what I want you to do next. Leave a comment below. What's one idea you've had for an online business? Next, subscribe so you don't miss my journey. I'll be documenting everything as I continue to build my online business. And if you're ready to dip your toe into the water, grab my free ebook from the 5-day challenge on how to start your own online business step by step. Because your second act might just be your best one yet. You've got this. See you in the next video.